In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust spacing in Google Docs. Clean, consistent spacing makes any document easier to read and more professional, whether you're drafting an essay, preparing a report, or formatting notes. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to adjust spacing so you can quickly get the look you want without hunting through menus. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. If you already know which section you want to change, highlight that text. If you want to update the entire document, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select everything. With your text selected, look for the line spacing icon in the toolbar at the top. It looks like horizontal lines with arrows. If you don't see it, open the Format menu, then choose Line and Paragraph Spacing. From here, pick a preset such as single 1.15, 1.5, or double. As soon as you click, your selection updates immediately so you can see which option is most readable for your content. Single and 1.15 are great for compact text. 1.5 is a balanced choice for most documents, and double is often used for drafts or academic papers. If you want more control, use custom spacing for precise adjustments. Go to Format, choose Line and Paragraph Spacing, then click Custom Spacing. In the line spacing field, enter the exact value you want, like 1.2 or 1.75, to fine-tune how tightly your lines sit together. Below that, adjust paragraph spacing before and after to add breathing room around paragraphs. This is especially helpful for headings, lists, or quotations where you want separation without inserting extra blank lines. When you're happy with the values, click Apply. Your changes will update only the selected text, which makes it easy to apply different spacing to different parts of your document. For a quick tune-up of paragraph spacing, select the paragraphs you want to adjust. Open Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choose Add Space before paragraph or Add Space after paragraph. If something looks too spread out, you can remove that spacing from the same menu. This is a fast way to fix documents that look cramped or that picked up extra gaps when you copied and pasted content. With these methods, your document will have cleaner, more readable spacing tailored to your preferences. Take a moment to scan through and ensure headings and body text look consistent. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.